This is you in your 20s. You may not have a lot of money yet. You may not have everything figured out, but you have something extremely powerful, which is time. Most people think becoming rich is about having money right now. It's not. It's about having time to grow your money. In your 20s, you have energy, you can take risks, you can learn fast, you can fail and recover as fast as you're gonna fail. If you use these years wisely, your future self will thank you. If you waste them, you will spend your 30s trying to catch up. Let's talk about how to use this decade correctly. This is the first mistake most people make. They chase fast money. Crypto hype, gambling, trend, trading, random side hustles without skills. Fast money feels exciting, but most of the time it disappears just as fast as you're gonna get them. Real wealth is built slowly with the skills and ownership, not luck. If you want to become rich in your 20s, focus on one thing first: building a high-income skill. These are skills businesses are willing to pay thousands of dollars for. Your goal in your early 20s is simple: become valuable. The more value you can create, the more money you can earn. Instead of chasing money, chase skill. Money follows a skill. Most people choose comfort, easy day, shortcut, and entertainment, but wealth is usually built on the other path. Your 20s are the time to outwork average people. Yes, it's tiring, yes, it's uncomfortable, but this is your unfair advantage. You have energy now, so use it. Here is another trap. Try to look rich. Smart people in their 20s don't try to impress others. Instead of upgrading their lifestyle every time they earn more, they keep expenses low. Wealth grows in silence, not in showing off. Investing early is powerful because of something called compound growth. Compounding means your money earns money, and then the money earns more money. Even small investors in your 20s can turn into large amounts later. The key is starting early, not starting big. Debt can either help you or trap you. Buying things you don't need with money you don't have slow you down. Bad debt steals your future income. Only use debt if it helps you build something that makes money. Depending on one income source is risky. That one job disappears, your income disappears. But when you build multiple income streams, you create security. A job gives stability. A side hustle gives you growth. Investments give long-term wealth. Your environment shapes your future. If you surround yourself with people who complain, you will think small. But if you surround yourself with ambitious people, you will start thinking bigger. Opportunities often come through people. To become rich, you must take risks, but not reckless risks, calculated risks. In your 20s, failing is less dangerous. Fear stops most people. Action separates you. Here's the truth most people don't like. Wealth does not happen in a few months. It happens after years of consistent effort. Small daily improvements add up. Most people quit too early. Don't be most people. Money without wealth is useless. Your body is your wealth-building energy. When you sleep well, eat well, and move your body, your energy increases. And energy creates productivity. This is the real formula. Most people ignore time. So improve your skills. Invest consistently. It's not complicated. It's just not easy. Becoming rich in your 20s is possible, but it requires discipline. You should focus on a skill. Control your lifestyle. Invest early. Start today, not next year, not someday. Your future self is watching the decision you make right now. Most of the people go after short-term money-making processes. Sometimes they chase those side hustles that not gonna make them anything, and at the end, they are gonna think about the mistakes they have done. Always try to find the skills that are in demand, skills that most of the people are having and they are making good money out of it. Making a lot of money is not easy, but making it small for the first time is easy. Stop using your smartphones. Stop giving your precious time on scrolling social media and wasting your time. Now, if you have enjoyed watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe our official channel Beyond the Castle for daily videos like this.